Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we have an LED cob light for doing selfies and videos and whatnot. It's a in-your-face type of device. This is the box that it comes in. It looks very similar to a motherboard box, same height and everything, but it's enclosed with a light such as this. It's telescoping. These parts come off. This part comes off, which is the camera mount. Okay, that goes here. This comes in the box. You could spin it horizontally or you can do it vertical. You can do it either way you like. The light comes separate. I do have it plugged into a battery bank for the demonstration, but this unscrews. So it does have a tripod mount. Same thread as a tripod, all right? So you can screw this in the tripod if you don't want to use this stand. And this unscrews like this. There's the base. It's weighted, by the way. And then this is telescoping, and this drops down like so. And you have this little pole. This is all you need if you have a little desk. But you definitely need to increase it a little bit because of the camera mount goes around the smaller diameter pole, not the larger one. So that said, this is a really good product. Again, I'm disclosing it. I did get it 100% for free. The manufacturer did send it to me, but that doesn't matter on how good of the review or better the review is going to be, because I do non-biased reviews. I've always done that. I can't be, just because, you get it for free, it's supposed to be a good review. That's can't be the case. So, but this is adjustable. Like when this is on, you can actually adjust it any direction you like. So if this is the position, you can move it. It's got a little hinge here. So I like it. So I already did another video on this already in terms of recording. So let's go check out, let's do the demonstration. I have a demonstration video for you. I want you to see it. It's really good. Like I said, I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this. And that's it. Let's go to the other video. All right, so this is the actual light output and the device itself. We're recording from the phone, the whole setup that we reviewed or opened the box for. This happens to be low, and this is, let me see what mode this is. There are 3 modes on this. You have warm white, and cool white together, and then cool white only. And this is on low. Okay, so I want to make sure you guys are aware this is on low. So I'm going to crank up the brightness. So that's 1 step higher. So, and we'll go to different modes. Warm white, mixture of both, cool white and warm white together, and then back to cool white. So I'm going to go up 1 more brightness. So that's step number 3. That's cool white, warm white, together. Let's go up again. Back to cool white, 1 more brightness, 4th level of brightness. This is cool white, warm white, both together. Back to cool white, 1 more up, level 5. So this is cool white, warm white, both together. Back to cool white. Level 6. This is level 6 of brightness. Cool white, warm white, both together. It's kind of a unique light. I like it a lot. This is great for doing selfies such as this. So let's go back to cool white. Let's go up 1 more level. So it's level 7. This is cool white, warm white, both together. Back to cool white. So this is level 8 of brightness, warm white, both together, and cool white. A little off, sorry. Go back up. This is level 8 brightness, cool white, warm white, both together. Now it's getting too bright. It's getting difficult to actually see the camera or the phone itself when I'm recording, just so you know. So we're going to go back to cool white, go back up again, level 9. So it's probably 10 brightnesses. No, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 10 levels of brightness. So that's fully brightness. That's all the way down. So you can see the difference between the two. There are substantial levels. So in pitch black, because we are in pitch black, just so you know, there is some light from the basement windows over there. That's why you're seeing a little bit. But this is on low, okay? So I find, I mean, this will get the point across. This seems to be between 1 and 3 is all you need in terms of getting your point, unless you want people to see you really bright. But yeah, it gets a little bit too much. So low, I think between 3 and 4 is probably a perfect level. And I'm using a battery bank to power it, okay? I'm not plugged into anything else but a battery bank, just so you know. And it has a remote control, wired controller. So you have power, modes, okay? And then the brightness. Up and down. And that's it. On and off. And that's warm white. I mean, that's a little bit too much warm for me. I mean, it is really like orangey, reddish kind of look to it. I mean, it does give you probably good tone and stuff. But I definitely have a link in the description below to purchase this. I happen to like this light. It's just really nice. It's sharp looking. It's obviously it's based off the camera, but the light output is nice. It's really, really nice output. So I'm just making it a little bit brighter. And this is warm white. Depends. It's all based on preference of what you're interested in doing. You know, I mean, this is, I don't know. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this. It's a really nice light. It does so many things. I mean, in different color choices, depending on the situation. I guess you could be upstairs, need some more light. You might need to add this in. Now, remember, I'm not using any of my box lights for this scenario. They're right here. All right, so this is my recording studio, so you can see it. All right, so this is what it looks like, what I'm recording. So there's the Panasonic Lumix camera, dead center, and my box lights are right here. So and the microphone is down there, so you can see it. So this is what's staring at me. So I just spun it around, so I'm just using this only, and it's a great product. I like it. And just as a disclaimer, I did get it for free. I did 100%. This did come from the manufacturer for free. They asked me to do a review on it, and I did. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.